This is Deepna, and I'm gonna show you how to make this cute little Christmas tree. It's pretty easy to make, and it's a great craft to do with kids as well. So first you're gonna need a really old book. You wanna pick a book with good binding, one that'll keep all the pages intact when you rip off a little section. So we have this one, which is a soft glued spine. You can see a little glue there. So that when you rip off a little section, it just all comes out together and intact. See? Good. You can also pick this one, which is a cloth binding. For this one, you will need something sharp to cut through it a little bit before you tear off the pages. But this also keeps all the pages together. Get the book you want and gently tear off a section of about 50 pages. Hold the top right corner and we're going to fold it to the left side of the page as close as possible to the binding. Hold the bottom right corner and fold it up so that it touches the edge of our last fold. And lastly, fold the entire page once more towards the binding. Try to always fold as close to the binding as possible. So now we're going to repeat this for all 50 pages. You can use a bone folder as well if you'd like nice sharp creases. Once every page is folded, spread out the pages a little to make it look more even. You can also make two separate sections of 50 pages each and glue them together to make one tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us on social media for more arts and crafts. Bye!